The best action cameras are the ideal gadget for documenting the interesting, exciting, or downright extreme. Whether you're going skiing, snorkeling, cycling, or simply looking to record your travels for YouTube or Instagram, there's a quality action camera for that. Number 5. GoPro. Hyper Smooth 2.0 HERO8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high and boost. Get the widest views, or boost to the smoothest video ever offered in a Hero camera. Works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling streamlined design. The reimagined shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant compared to previous models. Expandable mods. Vloggers, pro filmmakers and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with our HERO8 Black mods. Media Mod gives you shotgun mic performance and lets you attach Light Mod and Display Mod to up your capture game live streaming in 1080p. Share while you're there. Live stream in 1080p on social media. Get hyper smooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app and save footage to your SD card to check out later. Time Warp 2.0 capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while moving through an activity. Automatically adjust speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting. Slow the effect to real-time, savoring special moments and then tap to speed it back up. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2. Pocket-sized. DJI Pocket 2 weighs only 116 grams and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life. It fits perfectly in the palm of your hand so that you can take it anywhere. DJI Pocket 2 turns on in a second so you can capture photos and videos in an instant. Motorized stabilization. A 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the camera for smooth video on the move. This technology is also great for a crisp photo at any time. The gimbal keeps the camera steady, even for long exposure shots and in low-light environments. High image quality. An upgraded 1/1.7-inch sensor captures images with 64 megapixels photo and 4K video. A sweeping 20mm f1.8 lens provides a wide, vivid cinematic look. Enhanced audio. Consisting of 4 microphones, DJI Matrix Stereo offers sound recording in different directions, as well as audio zoom and soundtrack, which enhance audio based on the camera's direction and focus. Glamour effects. Always share your best selfie with glamour effects. Boasting a 93 degrees angle view, Pocket 2 allows for more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. AI Editor. AI Editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. Number 3. Akaso EK7000. 4K Ultra HD Action Camera. Professional 4K 30fps and 2.7K 30fps video with 16 megapixels photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. Wireless wrist remote control sports camera. With a wrist 2.4G remote, you can capture the world in an all-new way. Controlling the camera, framing shots or recording video is convenient. The remote is not waterproof. Longer battery life. Akaso EK7000 action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. Each battery can record up to 90 minutes. No more worry about the recording time for this action camera. Built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI, edit and share your action in minutes. Just download app Akaso Go on your phone or tablet and connect with this action camera. Wi-Fi signal ranges up to 10 meters. 100 feet waterproof camera. Akaso EK7000 is designed to withstand extreme environments, together with durable waterproof case. With the accessories, transform it for indoor and outdoor activities. Number 2. GoPro HERO11. Revolutionary new image sensor. Expansive field of view ever on a Hero camera out of the box. This gives you an extra large canvas for your creativity by capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot. Zoom in. Crop your shots, change digital lenses, adjust aspect ratios and more while keeping the rich textures and sharpness of your footage. Unbelievable image quality. With 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, HERO11 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. High-res photos plus videos, high frame rate, HERO11 Black's new image sensor boosts photo resolution up to an incredible 27 megapixels while delivering 5.3K 60 video with amazingly fluid motion that you can use to grab stunning 24.7 megapixel stills of your favorite shots. Plus, record 2.7K 240 video that can be played back in 8x slow-mo to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. Emmy Award-winning Hyper Smooth Stabilization. Hyper Smooth has never been better. And now it's won a huge award for its insanely smooth footage, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Number 1. Insta361 RS Twin Edition. 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens. Get 2 cameras in one with Insta361 RS. Swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for endless creative possibilities. Flow state stabilization. Buttery smooth image stabilization, no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses. No editing needed. 48 megapixels photos, 6K widescreen video and active HDR video. Thanks to a new sensor, capture crisp 48 megapixels photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos and vibrant HDR action videos. Invisible selfie stick. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. Creator Kit includes 1x4K boost lens, 1x360 lens, 1x1 RS core, 1x1 RS battery base, 1x lens cap for 360 lens, 1x1 RS mounting bracket, 1x bullet time bundle, 120 cm invisible selfie stick plus bullet time tripod handle, and 1x64 GB micro SD card.